What it do? Hope you guys are doing super duper well. Today I made $120, $119 trading the NASDAQ. I took a late trade and I could have made this way better, but I'm going to go through and show you guys why exactly I took this long today. We had no bearish CRT. We had 4-hour bullishness, and we had like 1 hour whatever the fuck this was. It was technically bullish, but it was like, I consider it more consolidation because it's not a clear trend. So I was a little patient today on the entry because I didn't really know where we were going, because we have multiple countering confluences. We have big fair value gaps on either side of the chart. So I went to the 15-minute candle, and now I took the trade on NASDAQ. But of course, you guys know that I've been testing out, and I've been testing out this strategy from RP Profits with the 8 a.m. zone. So that's what I marked out. And I apologize for my other videos when I had both charts up. For whatever reason, you can't see one of the sides if it's too skinny. So I'll try my best to show you here. But the 8 a.m. zone at 15 or at 8 to 8:15, you mark that zone out from wick to wick, and you wait for a break on either side on the 5-minute. So 15-minute candle at 8 o'clock, you wait till 9:30. You wait for a break on either above or below that zone. So for example, today it was already broken above the 8 a.m. zone before 9:30. So at 9:30 we had a closure. So that's a good sign it's going to be bullish. And then we came in and tested this zone. Now, the reason I didn't take this trade on ES, again, we had strong sell pressure. And also we had a bearish SMT divergence, which I can showcase for you guys real quick. It's not, actually I can't because they've already both swept, but at the beginning of the day, ES had swept this and NASDAQ did not, as you can see right here. Or I hope you can see it. Here you go. So right here, NASDAQ's missed, and right here, ES swept. So ES came down and retested the zone. I should have taken this trade right here out of this rejection, but I just happened to miss it. However, we inverse this 5-minute fair value gap in the next few minutes, and ES was like way higher than NASDAQ. So I swapped to NASDAQ fully right here. Now I can go full screen on them. So we're on NASDAQ. We inverse this 5-minute fair value gap. Boom! I entered the trade because we exited out of this fair value gap and the 8 a.m. zone on ES. After sweeping high time frame liquidity to the sell side, we haven't tapped this high time frame fair value gap. So all I did was take the trade off this inverse right here. I'll let you guys see. Here's a little fair value gap. Broke straight through and closed. I take your trade. That's where you see my entry. Scale down to the 1 minute. I actually kind of had like a really bad risk to reward, so I was very aggressive on trailing my stops. And as soon as we were like up in this consolidation point, I was already at break even and I couldn't lose for the day. So that is how I made $120 trading the NASDAQ. You can check out my socials right here. Give me any recommendations you guys want to see for videos. Check out my last video. Subscribe. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subs by the end of the year. Help me do that. Help me help you. Let's do this. All right, deuces.